if you want to do this activity, anyone can do it today, and if you want to join us, we'll do other things throughout the summer and next year too. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to practice some sewing skills, and so you'll get some cloth like this, and I have some stuffing, and you can sew together a pillow, and you can take the pillow home, and so you'll get to practice on a sewing machine. There's my friend Enno, and Enno's mom. Say hi, Enno. So you get to use a sewing machine, and I also have needles for you if you want to practice doing with your hand, and you can take this home with you today, okay? So that's what we'll be doing soon, whenever we're ready to go, okay?
Right now.
Thank you.
Give her a round of applause.
You want to touch it? This is a kwekwe cloth. So kwekwe cloth is made, it's hand-woven textile from Igbo land. Where's Igbo land? Who's been there before? Did you see anybody making cloth there? Maybe not. You can pass this around if you want to touch it. So somebody made this with their hands, probably. On your picture here, you see a picture of a woman using what they call a loom, I believe, and she's making this type of pattern. So it's very popular. You know what Biafra is? Is that a politically charged term? I don't know. You know what Biafra is? Basically, if Igbo people had a country, it'd be called Biafra. Okay. So what you'll do is you'll get some pieces of felt, and you'll take a needle and thread, and you'll sew together the red, black, and green, and then try your best to make it black, okay? So I'll pass around a piece of cloth, and since we have to share, you'll cut yourself a piece of each color, and then pass it to your neighbor once you got your color, okay?
It's going good. It's a good job. So pull a chair and go sit on the table.
Yeah, I wanted to try.
Alright. Who's next? Your turn. You know you've been waiting. So let's do it.
Don't give me like this. You give it by the end here, so that it will not so have it.
You're not? You got it. It's not that hard. You got it. You got it, okay? Wait, what time? So I'll show you what to do. Don't worry.
Okay, guys.
So this.
What's my needle?
So you want to?
Nancy, you forgot to wash your hair. Can you
Listen.
Hi. Those
Girls,
that are with needles.
listen to
Can
her,
you hold
please.
it like this? Hold the fabric like this. I want to see you hold the fabric like this. Yes. With the needle. Make sure the needle is like this. Yeah, I put it there. Okay. Look at this. And then you fold it together equally.
Sorry, hon.
Fold it together equally. Okay, fold it together equally. Let me see. Is that one like this?
You guys listen.
Bro, you be quiet, bro.
I said it was to be like this.
I'm recording you, bro.
Okay, thank you. Let me see. Good job. Let me know when we're on time. Whenever.
Yeah.
Just let me know.
10 more. About 10.
Mom.
We might extend it.
So after this, are we going to the event?
After the youth mention. Okay.
it. Good morning. That's nice. Good.
How do you unwrap?
It's not even a YouTube.
All YouTube songs are made from people. Made from
What did you do last week? Were you here? Okay, you were around it, okay. Alright, okay. If you were in language class last year, raise your hand.
Last year.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
that was
I just want us to do a little bit of the language, okay? And for those that were here last week, can somebody tell me what they learned, what you remember from the last week's class? Go on, Ebuka. The Igbo Adichide. Okay. Can you say them to me? Can you read loud? Okay. Please, please. Okay, just say what I'm saying. Go on.
and that's pretty much
That's the much you remember. That's actually awesome.
Good job.
I don't have to be the ABK, the any other thing. What did you remember from last week?
we learned like how to make words with them.
With the ABK. You guys make what with the ABC?
But we learned nonsense.
Okay, can you say one of them you remember?
It was
She?
with
Say it again. She what? Okay. You guys use the C, the chi, CH, and you guys do the way, GH, or GB, way. Okay, what did you guys make out of them? Do you remember? Don't remember, like chuku. Did you guys do things like chuku? Where is your notebook? Do you have your book last week?
Last year we learned some of the Igbo alphabet.
You don't remember any of them?
Some of them.
Okay, go ahead.
A, B, C, D, E,
C,
F,
G. What's your name again?
I don't know.
Adania. That's a good job. Okay. So whatever you learn here, from the language, art, cooking, you have to put all your notes, put them in the place.
Don't push too hard. Just nicely, slowly. Okay. Okay. Not yet. Don't press it. Yes. Just set your leg on it. Don't push it. Again, your hand here. You're gonna be looking. Okay. The second one. Here. Be looking. You're looking. You're pressing. Okay. Slowly. Okay. Not too hard. Okay. Do it. Not too hard. Okay. Slowly. You just need to control this. Make sure it's moving somewhere. Okay.
Good job.
because you're gonna broke, so I won't go somewhere else. Don't press on it, just let it go. It's moving, you let it go. Press slowly, okay? Okay, press. Press. Okay, move it. Okay, press. You're moving it. Okay, move it. Okay, let it move. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Press. Press. Too hard, not hard. Go more faster than you can control it. You make it slowly, then
Okay, scoot up so you can do it.
yeah, look at this. Let me just put this one and then knot it for you so that you can start, okay? So this is how you do it. Okay, I'm knotting it now. Look at, you see this twice, and then I bring it out. Then you can continue from there. Here, check. This is how you collect with your right hand. Collect with the right hand. Good. That's good. So let me show you something. Okay. Let me come over. Sewing this way. See this line? You are following this line, okay? Look at this. Okay, let me bring it up. Okay, look at this. See? 1, 2, 3, 4.
In the circle.
Then I bring it out. Can you do that? Check. Put just like that. Put in, out, in, out, in, out. Check. You see how I give it to you? Okay. Put it in. What it is. Good job. In here. Okay, out. Bring it out. Gently. Little. Good job. Hey, bring it out. No. From this side. Okay. No, this side. Draw it. No. Bring it out like this. Yeah, pull it. Draw it up. Good job. No. Draw full. Make it full.
Guinea. And we're doing the exclusive.
This one.
For the top. You do the top, okay?
Look at this. There's something I'm going to do. I turn it 1 and then 2. I'm knotting it right here. And then I bring it out. Make sure. You see? This it can never shake again because I have knotted it there. Okay? This is your pillow already.
Take your pillow. Say thank you. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, hold this for me. No, this place. Just hold it. No, here. Okay, I just want it to be neat. Look at this. I fold it like this, and then you see, immediately, you see, when I put it together, see, very neat, okay? Let me allow Auntie to just do it for you.
Okay? Alright. Mr. Sowake, the hand up pillow neighbor. Can where's the pillow? Oh, okay, flag remember. Okay. But for now, I never try to come pillow. Can hand up one can neighbor. Yes, no, just say it like you know it. Because you know it. Can hand up be a neighbor. Yeah. I know you did flag, but just tell me. Mr. So what can we hit that kind of what everybody, I want everybody to say, shout it. Kilo.
What do you say?
I'll sit outside because it's too stuffy. So I can sew it in, okay? Alright. Make it easy to sew. That should be enough.
Wait, so you say you don't want to do the hard work? That's only for you to do the hard work.
It's a culture, it's a language. So most people in this room are Igbo folks, right? So if Igbo people had their own country, their country would be called Biafra. Some things happen and that was not the case right now, but they have the flag. So this flag is the flag of Igbo people in the world. Okay? So yeah, that's what history is about. What you see there is the flag of Igbo people in the world. Yeah. Is it what? A war flag? You could say it's a war flag. Like if they were gonna, when the war happened, they were using this flag, but it's still a flag that people recognize as the Biafra flag.
Okay.
That's what it's called.
Yes, you may go to the restroom. Go ahead, thank you.
I feel like if you go home, ask your mom or dad, maybe they'll know. They might have that history more than I would have that history. That's a good question.
Anyone has questions? Okay, what's your question?
The language is part of Igbo culture, but this is a flag for Igbo people. So not just the language, but everything. Igbo people, if they were to have their own country, this would have been.
Any other questions?
I am a seamstress. Seamstress or tenor, I do. She makes clothes, beautiful ones. I also make clothes, beautiful ones. And here in this place, I have seen talent. I have really seen talent. As we were busy with the children, there was one that was concentrating. Whether she knew what to do or she would just draw me. Oh my God, and where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where is my friend? In fact, in our group, she was the first one who finished. She was the second one who finished. Why she was the second one is that she was waiting for me to knot it for her. And I saw the interest. And so, if you guys want to continue with this, many of them are going to be artists, renowned tailors. So I am so impressed. We are really so impressed. And the interest that you guys put in there. There was somebody who didn't have the interest. When he saw the others finishing, he had to rush to come and say, that's the interest that I need. And that's how to learn. Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for your
And I want to tell you that you did so good. And I love the way everybody participated and patient. Thank you so much. It doesn't have to do with your education. It doesn't have to stop your education. It's just you lay your hands on stuff to be able to do. It's a hand work. You can do your own clothes. You can do your own stuff while you do your own. While you're doing your education, you're doing your own wonderful job. It can be a side
Awesome.
also for you. Okay. Thank you.
Finally, I just want to end it by saying thank you, everyone. Thanks for the engagement. Thank you to all those that had questions. I know that some of you actually wanted to sew on the machine. Hopefully in the future we can get to do that. Or maybe to check, maybe your mom has a sewing machine. Maybe your grandma has a sewing machine. You can do that at home. And so I really enjoyed teaching all of you how to sew. I really enjoyed your interest in learning how to sew. And thank you in general.
Thank you.
Awiti kalaka nebo gidio, onebu gidio. Isi na kalaka bo gidio gidio anyi po yo no.